Hello everyone, so today video about the year of the tiger 2022. So this is I'm not used to buying this series, but I did because I really liked it. A beautiful one, but I like tigers, so it's a beautiful one I think this year for 2022. For the number, it's 13714E11. So it's a HUNTSMAN, of course. So first thing, the box, really beautiful box, beautiful one with this little sleeve. It opens like this. Then we have this paper. If you want to read, you can pause the video. And here is the knife. So 2022, year of the tiger. Yeah, we have the logo. So HUNTSMAN, they added the mini screwdriver, which was not the case in the past, I think. So of course, thickness 21 millimeter, 99 grams, 16 functions for this one. So of course, HUNTSMAN, we have the large blade, small blade, wood saw, scissors, and the opening layer with can opener, little flat screwdriver, bottle opener, larger flat screwdriver, and wire bend stripper. On the other side, reamer hole, the hook, and of course the corkscrew with the mini screwdriver. So it's limited to 8,000 pieces, and this one it's number 2721. Of course, we have the tweezers and toothpick in red, which is good. It doesn't have the straight pin. For the price, it's 88 euros in France, in Europe, I think. So a bit expensive as well. So that's a good one. That's a good one. So that's it. As usual, if you have any questions, tell me in the comments. Tell me what you think about it. And in the meantime, take care, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.